What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Now what I have behind me is a car that was previously worked on by an inexperienced PDR technician, and I'm gonna have to go over it again and fix the damage. The client took it someplace else and they were not happy with the result. Now let's check out what damage was done to the car. On the hood we can see there are still dents left, and whatever was attempted to be fixed was not fixed professionally and to the end. You can see how they made like high spots and made dents a bit smaller but sharper, so this is much heavier to fix than before. Like this one, for example, is like a volcano. And there are a bunch of small dents left. You can see another mushed up high spot. This place is pretty bad. The roof is the worst part of this car. Still see a lot of dents left. High spots everywhere. These dents are quite possibly stretched now, especially these two here. This one and this one. So maybe we will need to use a power PDR box on it. Now the damage before was bad. As you can see, there is cracked paint, but that's no excuse to do a half-assed job. The trunk has the same story. Dents left. See this chewed up thing here. So I will have to go over all the top panels and redo them. Alright, let's get to work and get this car looking the way it should again. We have a mini light setup right in front of the dent, and this recording is set to 5 times the speed. With small and precise pushes, I'm slowly bringing the dent up. When tapping down, my hands do get in the way sometimes, so I do apologize for that. Because the dent was overpulled at the beginning by another technician, the dent is overstretched, as you can see. I will remove the mini light now and shrink the dent with the power PDR box. After some sanding and polishing, this is the final result. I did a lot more pushing to get this roof from this to this. Hey, do you remember this ugly dent at the edge of the roof? It came out quite nicely, as well as the hood of the car. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Let me know down in the comments below if you ever had to redo any PDR jobs, and make sure you don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button and the bell notification next to it. That way you will get notified each time I release a new video. Thanks so much and take care.